Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a broken side mirror on Toyota Corolla. This is 2018, my wife hit it. This also gonna apply to 2017 Toyota Corolla. So here's the broken side mirror. First we just need to remove this panel. So we just pop it, and then the connectors that we need to disconnect. We need to remove this panel, and you can put a little screwdriver here, pop this and remove the screw. I'll show you in a second. So in this panel we have one screw over here, the other one is on the bottom right here, the third one is right here, and be careful when you remove the panel because I already broke one of the pins right here. So now my inside panel is removed. I'm not actually gonna move it all the way because all I need to get access to is to this connector. So I'm going to disconnect this, get the bolts off, and replace my mirror. Okay, all the screws are removed. All we just need to do is just push this pin out and everything is out. Alright, now it's time to put a new one. So now those are two mirrors. This is the old one, this is the new one. I see there's a little difference. I see this piece is a little bit thicker. There's nothing like this over here, so I've just popped out this piece and I'm gonna transfer that onto my new mirror, so everything is gonna fit exactly the same and it's gonna be perfect fit. Okay, everything is back to normal, and the only thing that I need to do is just put the back finishing white panel on the back of the mirror, and that's it. That is working. Well, I hope I helped you to fix that. Hopefully you won't ever have to do it, but if you have to change the mirror, now we know how you can do it. Easily, it took me probably half an hour. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.